It's a little bit ridiculous how excited we are about this, but we just bought a coffee machine. Yeah! And that's the beast. I really don't know that much about coffee. It's an espresso machine. I don't even know what the difference between an espresso and a cappuccino is, or a latte. Maybe they're all the same thing. Let's try and make coffee. Alright, so turn it on. I had no idea what type of coffee to buy, so I've got Robert Tim's Mocha Kenyan style. May contain traces of lion. Secure appropriate filter in place into handle. Secure that into the group head. Secure in group head. Oh, whoa, that is tight. Preheating cups and a babyccino cup for Jazz. Sorry, Jasmine? That? That's an espresso machine. A water heater?
No!
Snorkel maker?
No!
It's for a baby. Oi! Oi! Don't scream. Jasmine's for a babyccino. Do you want a babyccino?
No.
Yeah, well, you're not going to get one if you hit Daddy. Did you say no? Okay, no babyccino. Babyccino? Babyccino? Babyccino. Look, Jazz. Yeah, that's right. Daddy's gonna make you a babyccino. That's gonna become a babyccino. Yeah. I'll use that. Or something. Ooh.
45 minutes.
45 minutes to make a babyccino for Jazz. And our coffees are still coming. Are you happy, Jazz? Do you want a babyccino? I just realised why you meant to wipe the steam thing down so instantly in the instructions, because now that is plastered on there big time. Damn it! Ready for the magic. Move that there. Now apparently I'm meant to do this until it starts to change colour. To a lighter colour, which it's already done. What? This looks nothing like the instructional video. Oh, the tank's out of water! I think this is what you do because I've seen this on TV. Here comes the magic. Okay, let's fancy this one up. What do you do? Something like this? Oh, fireworks. And 2 eyes. Actually, that's a perfect amount of milk. Alright, Kristen, we're done.
Mummy's turn. Yay!
Mummy Chino. Kristen was so excited about this coffee machine, she actually said that she had butterflies in her stomach before we bought it. It could be the fact that you're growing human.
It could have been actually kicks.
Alright, yeah, take your pick. So I fancied up the milk.
Was it hard to do?
I think it'll be easier in the future. Oh, you need sugar too, I guess. And the end result is, it tastes good. Did you like your babyccino?
It's a baby.
Baby, is this Daddy Chino? Mmm. Daddy Chino. Tastes like Kenya and lions. It's mocha. Something.